Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Deep. I am an experienced guy from the corporate and I help you guys to take job and crack interviews. In this video, I will discuss what is the major mistake which we as a freshers do on the LinkedIn when we go and ask job from someone, when we go and ask for the reference, when we go and connect with someone and ask them for the reference. See, reference is something where you have to ask someone from your network, okay, or connection to refer you at their company for the particular job openings. But as a freshers, what we do, suppose there is an opening at Deloitte, what we do, we go and connect with a lot of people from the Deloitte on the LinkedIn, and as soon as they accept our connection request, we send them a big draft of our message, that is your introductions, your resume, your contact ID, your request for getting a job, your situation. You dump your information directly to their inbox, okay? And believe me, they don't even read it, they just ignore it, because to read it they have to give time, okay? There should be a connection, there should be a emotion to read your message, to understand your situation. Why do you expect somebody to accept your connection and read out your all the messages, check your resume, check if you are fit to any particular job, check if there is any opening? Why anybody on the LinkedIn will do this for you? It doesn't make sense, right? Okay, so no one has that time to look for you, correct? Or I'm wrong? I must be correct, okay? Wrong me if I am not correct, okay? Now what we do, this is the blunder mistakes, okay, which we think that if we send each and everything, our work is done, okay, my responsibility is done, I have sent the request, I have sent the message, now their responsibility is to find job for me, okay? This is what we think, okay? We want to convince ourselves that we have done one effort, okay, we have done an effort, okay, but this is what we call this, it is fooling of ourselves, okay? We are fooling our heart, we are fooling our mind that okay, Deepak, okay, Mr. Deep, okay, Rahul, okay, Anjali, you have done your part, now everything is on God. No, you have to put right effort, okay? Now I have seen that, see, my job is to help freshers, I help freshers a lot, okay? Many people, like 100 people are connecting me every day, okay? Most of them do the same thing, okay? They send me a big draft, okay, where they have given their introductions, their contact ID, their email ID, okay, their resume, okay, each and everything they have sent, and they have asked, let me know if there is any suitable opening for me at your company, okay? Why I will search a suitable openings for you at my company? This is your job, isn't it? This is your job to find what is suitable job for you at my company. This is your job. When you are connecting me, talk to me politely, talk to me professionally. When I know you, when you know me, then you should ask for the reference. What is the ideal way? Okay, the ideal way is very simple. When you are connecting with someone, when you are connecting to me, okay, as soon as I accept your connection request, go check my profile, okay? I have seen many people, when after connecting they ask me, where do you work, in which company do you work? Dude, my profile is open book, go and check where do I work. Why you are asking me, why you are asking me irrelevant question? Isn't it the waste of time? If I am giving time to you, then make utilize of that time in an effective manner. Why you should ask where I do I work? It is written, it is there on my profile. Go and check. So what is the ideal way of asking reference? When someone is connecting a request, go check their profile. Okay. Now send them a thank you note. Hello, Mr. Dev. Okay. Hello, Mr. Rahul. Okay. Or hello, Rahul. Thank you for connecting my request or accepting my request. Or hello, Rahul. I'm glad we are connected. Okay. Hope you are doing well. This is what we should send. Okay. Once we receive the message back, like otherwise, likewise, thank you, how are you, anything, then we should approach and ask anything which is related to their profile or their career. Okay. Once after 1 and 2 days, then you should ask for the reference. See, Deepak, I seen that Grant Thornton is hiring for this position. Okay, and I'm also looking to do a job in the same line, and this that job is very suitable for me. If it is possible, can you please refer me? This is the job ID. It will be easy for you to find out. Okay, this is what we do. Once they say, okay, I will refer you, then he or she will ask you for the resume. He or she only will ask you for the resume. Okay, you don't have to give your resume directly. They will ask you for the resume, ask their email ID, and send the resume to them. Simple. A basic idea, a basic way, a best way to ask for the reference. We don't have to go and dump each and everything in one go. They see or they not see, that doesn't matter. No, that is the wrong way totally. Okay, it depends on us how we are treating people. Okay, see, now you will think, people complain me, sir, if someone is not ready to talk, if someone is not ready to reply, if someone is not ready to give the reference, then why the hell they accept the connection request? LinkedIn is to make connection. Okay, they are not there. They are not obliged to you to give you job. They are not obliged to you to refer you. Okay, you will have to request. Okay, not every people at LinkedIn will refer you. Many, very few will refer you. It's on you how you are convincing them, how you are approaching them to give you the reference. Okay, so it is not their obligation. Okay, this is your responsibility to find such person who can refer you in a right way. So my friend, my freshers, my dear freshers, do this effort. Okay, if you are putting any effort, do it in a right way. Okay, then see the result. Okay, don't be in a desperate, don't be in a hurry, don't show your selfness that you are connecting just because you want to get reference from me. Once I referred you, then मैं कहाँ और तुम कहाँ. No, don't make them feel like that. Okay, make them feel that you respect their time, you respect that they have connected with you. Okay, because they are seniors, they are managers, they are directors. Okay, then you should ask for the reference. This is how I have done for my last in my past. This is how I suggest people to do. This is how many people by my help got the job. Okay, you see, all the best. If you have any questions, see, each and everything which I tell you, I have made a detailed video on everything. You just have to explore the videos on our channel. Okay, find those videos, how to get reference, how to search, everything I have talked about. Okay, then do your job. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Wish you all the best. If you like our channel, then please like and share and comment your doubt. Okay, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you so much.